Hey guys, what is up? It's Jillian here. Today I'm going to be doing a back to school makeup routine / tutorial for you guys. I love watching these type of videos, so I decided to do one on my channel. I've been back to school for about a week now, and I've been doing this makeup routine every week, every day, every morning before school. So this is literally my back to school makeup routine because I wanted to be super real with you guys of how I do my makeup. And last year I wore no makeup, but this year I'm actually trying to look put together and like cute. So this is the makeup that I have been going for. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this video, and make sure to thumbs this video up obviously if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to this channel for more content from me. But with all that being said, let's just get straight into the video.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction, but now 'cause I'm falling apart. Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my ways. I can't let go. Listen, part of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out living for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. We're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you.
Alright guys, so that was my back to school makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I better go now because I literally am getting loopy. Every single video that I do, the outro is where I just get loopy and I cannot form sentences, and it's just really bad. So I'm gonna go